Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, and this is the Arctic Circle Center.
Never lost Romer with Phil Ernest.
In this video, I continue my drive along the northern Norway coastline from Mogen to Boben. It is a little over 4-hour drive covering 314 kilometers. It is a very peaceful drive with roads in great condition, as you can see, and hardly any traffic. This is a unique part of this drive right here with this bridge for the rail, and then look at this reflecting off, more beautiful reflecting off of the water with the mountains in the background. This is a first of all the churches I've been seeing on this travel. They've all been white. This one is red. There it is. Look at that. Most unusual color and shape of the churches that I've been seeing. And they traditionally have the cemetery out front. Kind of adds to it. This is one of the most incredible views over a lake. This is a 180-degree turn right here on the water. Look at this. So these are the cattle of Norway in the northern area. You don't really see a whole lot of cattle here along this drive, but this is a rare sight along the river. The mountains in the background adds for a beautiful picture. If you're enjoying this video and finding it informative, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to receive more of this informative content, please subscribe to the channel. And so I've come upon this on my drive, the Arctic Circle Center, 66 degrees. Let's go see. It looks like people are walking up over in this little area. See what's happening here. Look at the view outside this Arctic Circle Center. Go see what this is all about in here. Or is it just a store selling souvenirs? Wow. Some hides, a reindeer hide in stores. So look at all these fur right here. Wow. Look at this. Gee. 2 for $19.99. Look at these little taxidermy animals here. Pretty neat. You got a bear, a little red fox, a bird, a wolf, and the big polar bear. So this is part of this Arctic Center right here on the trek up. Started from down below down there, the little Arctic Center building. And I'm going to go right now and check out what this is all about up on the top of this little area here. Let's see. Should be interesting making my way up here. Look at all these things are called cairns. Usually they're on hiking sites to let you know which way the trail continues to go. But somebody had a whole bunch of cairns put up here, which kind of adds to it nicely. Look at that. And then here's the view from high top up. So I've arrived in Bodo. Check this out. This is kind of interesting. This is a little center here of town. And then they have the big clock tower here. I'm gonna head on over and take a look at this church, see if that's open. They have a map here telling you of on a trash can showing you what's going on here. Let me go take a look at what this church is about, if it's open. This is pretty neat. They got this thing telling you of all the little attractions here within the city, things that you may be interested in seeing, and how far away they are. They got this huge walrus here. Look at that. And then right next to this, they have this great big clock tower right there. And then right next to that, they have the church. It's a Sunday afternoon, about 3:45, so places are kind of closed up. Let's see what this church looks like though. I doubt that it's open, but it's kind of interesting architecture here nonetheless. And this is the church, and just like I figured, it looks like it's closed. Although I do see someone in there. Let me check it out. And then here's a unique steeple. Look at that. That's really neat. Look at that. All the way up. A steeple separated from the church itself. A most unusual construction thing here with a whole bunch of pallets. And then it has this tree carved up into steps. But it looks like it's a stage of some sort. And it looks like they might even put a fire in there. So, and with a boat, upside down boat. So it's got all kinds of things happening here. Some kind of a artwork. And next to that little structure I just showed you, the museum built in 1904 here, as it says on the gate. And then look at it. Nice. So now, as I walk past this building with a really neat tower, I'm gonna head on over here to this water area, looking for something to eat. Town looks like it's all closed up and deserted, and it's only 4 p.m. on a Sunday. This is interesting. A most unusual shopping mall in this town of Bordeaux. Look at glass ceiling. Looks like you're in a greenhouse. Never seen anything like this. And then the different shops around here. So now we've made it to this little marina here where they have all the boats. Walking out of the mall, you see this. Pretty nice. There goes a kind of a little cruise ship there, kind of for day cruises. The Radisson Hotel right across from it. And then another look at this angle of the marina. And across from this marina, they have a few hotels here. So this place is really, it's small, but it's got a lot of stuff packed in it. And here's the full view of the marina. And then they have a couple of lighthouses over here. And in the background over here, they have like a fort that you can go out to. So that's kind of neat right there. And then they also have these big boats that'll take you out. Over there you can see that boat take you on a day cruise or for about an hour or so along this little bay area. A little artwork here. They have a bunch of these little things here on the pier. So it looks like a Swiss cheese. They have a lot of them lined up over this way. This is a unique winding spiral staircase here. Look at that. All the way up. Pretty cool. Right over there is the train station, and I'm going to show you where you would get off, get on that train or catch the train to get into this town. It's really accessible by train. It's pretty nice. So this is the train station, and there's the trains all lined up right there. So if you want to take a train into this little nice town, this is where you'll come out of or you'll leave from. So let me go and let me take a look at this train station more in depth and find out what this is all about here. Kind of neat that they have a train that'll bring you all the way up here. So easy to find this town here. They got a whole lot of hotels too. A little ticket machine here. You can buy your tickets. They have coffee, cafeteria upstairs, restrooms, and then the trains are down here. Look at that. Pretty neat. Just wait, buy your ticket, and it'll take you wherever you want to go to around Norway. Very convenient, easy way to travel. And then they have a map over here too, showing you of different stops and everything. So no reason why you can't get on over to these parts north of the Arctic Circle and enjoy them for yourself. So this is interesting, pretty good to know. These trains, they got the long distance trains, and that'll take you from Trondheim. You can go from Oslo to Trondheim, the city I was at prior to this one, and then Trondheim to Bordeaux, F7, and it shows you the paths they take. So they do, so it is accessible right there, starting off in Oslo and going on up to Trondheim, and then you catch the second leg that'll take you here to this nice little town. They also have the little regional trains here once you're here. So that will more than do it for this video from Bordeaux. If you would like to see my other videos from Norway, please click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.